Hi everyone, and welcome to a new video. I've been asked lately quite a few times now how to do repairs on damaged alloys, so I thought I'd make this video for you all now. As you can see, these ones are corroded and they have some damage on the outer lip, on the edges where they've caught curbs and stuff like that. So in this video I'll show you a very easy way of correcting the damage and getting them ready to be primed and painted. Here's one I've already done the outer rim on, which is what I'm going to show you how to do today. Here's how I do the back. These normally strip down quite easily. Same again. Simple as that, quite easy on the back. Obviously you move down through your stages of sandpaper, make it smooth before you prime. Same with any balance weight residue left over, do the same, just take that off. Get the idea, just keep going until there's no more sticky pads or no more corrosion left in there. And then just do the same with the whole wheel. Then you're ready to prime. Right, now onto the front. Okay, so the first thing I'll do is get my sander. I'll use some Abranet sanding paper. Make sure you can see that. It's like a wire-based paper, it's much stronger than normal sandpaper. Just put it on your sander as normal. Put your mask on. And away you go. You will see on some of these edges that there'll be some damage like this. You'll probably find that on most wheels on the edges. But if you just keep sanding with these, it will take it right out, as I will show you now. as you can see, completely removed it. Then after that step, all you do is go down to something like a 240 for normal sandpaper and carry on like that. Just keep moving around until you've done all your damaged edges. Okay, so that's all my damaged edges removed. So we'll put this away. We'll then move on to some 240 grit sandpaper, just normal sandpaper. Mask back on. This is what we have at the moment. Let's see what we can do to it. And as you can see, quite quickly you end up with quite a nice smooth finish. Just keep going till this is all nice and smooth. Move down a couple more grades to 400 and then hit it with some primer. Obviously the rest of the wheel needs to be done first, but I'm not going to bore you for hours watching me do that. Just wanted to show a feel of you how I do my damaged and corroded alloys, because I've had so many people reaching out asking me how I do them. So this is for them and anyone else that will hopefully help. You also do the same thing on the back. Just go over your corroded spots, get rid of them. Things like this. You have to excuse me stiffen, I'm getting the hay fever's playing up. Bit windy here, got bits of stuff flying across the roads and stuff. Stuff coming off roofs. But that's how I do my alloy wheels that are damaged. Hope this helps a lot of you out. Any other questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll answer you as soon as possible. If there's any other videos that you'd like to see, just ask away and I'll see if I can help you out. Thanks for watching, and to all the new subscribers and that, thank you for subscribing. And I hope I can help a lot more of you out on fixing your own cars. Thanks again. See you in the next video.